Hello, welcome you all to my channel Solution at Click. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the 46th elected president of United States of America, Joe Biden. We will discuss his political profile starting from 1970 to 2020. He won the United States 2020 presidential election. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. is the president-elect of United States, and now he will be inaugurated as the 46th president of USA on 20th January 2021. This date is also termed as the inauguration day in American political system. He born on 20th November of 1942, and he has a very long political career starting from 1970 to till date when he was elected as a councillor of Newcastle County, and at that time he was the sixth youngest senator in American history. Then he was elected as the US Senator of Delaware from Democratic Party, and he served on this post from 1973 to 2009. He resigned from US Senator Delaware post in 2009 to continue his service as the 47th Vice President of USA from 2019 to 2017. In between, he declared his presidential candidacy from Democratic Party in 1988, and he was considered to be elected as the main presidential nominee from Democratic Party, but due to various reasons he has to withdraw his nomination, and ultimately in 2008 he again filed his nomination for presidential candidate, but he could not sustain his campaign among the fierce rivals like Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton at that time. He faced many difficulties in raising funds to continue his campaign, and also he was unable to draw the people to his rallies. Ultimately, he withdrew his nomination. But Barack Obama, the 2008 presidential nominee of Democratic Party, declared Joe Biden as the vice president running mate. He became the 46th vice president of USA when Barack Obama won 2008 presidential elections. If we discuss about his role in American foreign policy during his term as the vice president from 2019 to 2017, then gentlemen, he voted against the Gulf War in 1991 when he was the US Senator of Delaware, stating that the US is sharing all the burdens of anti-Iraq coalition forces and it is putting a heavy toll on American economy. But he supported Kosovo War in 1999, and he was in favor of NATO bombing of Federal Republic of Yugoslavia, stating that Yugoslavia is committing so many political crimes during that time. If we talk about Afghanistan War of 2001, initially he supported the Afghanistan War, but later he admitted that it was a mistake from him to vote and support the Afghanistan War because this war put a very heavy toll on American economic system and as well as his strategical stand considering in Asian subcontinent. Look at the picture. Joe Biden is sitting with then American President Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton, Secretary of State of USA. This picture is of White House Situation Room, and they are monitoring the progress of the mission kill Osama bin Laden in May 2011. Considering this picture, we can also understand the political stature of Joe Biden in American political system. He was awarded with Presidential Medal of Freedom with distinction in 2017 by then American President Barack Obama for his love for fellow Americans and a lifetime of service that will endure through the generations. It was the only award by Obama of the Medal of Freedom with distinction. Other recipients include Ronald Reagan, Colin Powell, and Pope John Paul II. Joe Biden has written many books in his political life, starting from the internal democracy to foreign policy to various topics stating America and the world. Now, how the Indo-US relation will strengthen during the Biden term as the president of USA? Biden needs Indian support to counter rise of China in Asia continent. During his tenure, it is also be considered the visa rules will also be made easy for Indians, and it is also a certainty that the 5 lakhs NRIs are going to have American citizenship during his tenure as President of USA. Elected Vice President of Democratic Party Kamala Harris is also an Indian origin, so it will also pave a way in strengthening Indo-US relationship in coming Biden era. So with this, I conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If it is so, then stay tuned with my channel Solution at Click. Do subscribe my channel, put your comments and like this video as well. Thank you. Bye bye.